Good morning, everyone. Allergies are just, it's not, it's not good this year. Oh, I don't need this. It's not the greatest. Yeah, so I'm trying not to take any medication for it because it only bothers me in the morning and in the evening. Yeah. But I slept with the window open last night, so this is the repercussions of that. My eyes, they're just like, feels like there's stuff in my eye. My nose is stuffy. My voice is, as you can hear. And I'm not sick. This is allergies. Yeah, so I bet you if I go downstairs and look at DJ's eyes, it's bad. He has it really bad every time this year. So I've been putting this off for a long time, but today I have to get my flowers for the front of my house. It's gonna be beautiful today. Oh, this white light. Oh shoot, no, you gotta be careful with these things. Today the temperature is going to be a high of 23. So right now it's 16 and it says it feels like 17. So I'm assuming that there's a little bit of humidity. So it might actually feel warmer than 23 today, which is fantastic. It's going to be sunny. It's going to be sunny all week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday's going to be warm, and then we have the rain. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It rained all last week, the week before. It rained every day. Like my flowers. My garden at the back is great. So today I want to hit 2 places to go get some flowers. Of course I have to bring the kids with me because hubby's at work. So, and then later on I'm going to take them to a fair. I wonder if they remember. I told them yesterday I would take them. But I wonder if they remember. So of course I gotta make up the bed and do all the things. Get to, open up. I get this day started, okay? This place is a mess. I'm doing laundry. I'm doing all the things. I'm doing all of the things. Listen, y'all, never mind these different color pillowcases, okay? This is just what I'm working with right now, guys. I haven't had the time to go and find all of my white, like, where's all my white pillowcases? So right now, I have different color, okay? That's what we're working with right now. Different color pillowcases until I find where all my white pillowcases are. They're somewhere here. I'm almost positive, but no need to judge. I know already what's going on, okay? Of course, I have tons of laundry to do. Let me see the percentage there. It's got 48%. It's all good.
I said to you moments, and I'm grateful for God affording us the prowess to be able to do that. I wanted you to help me because in just 2 weeks we'll be giving out even more.
We are here. We are headed out to go look for 2 plants. 2 plants for my flower pot, my planters for the front of the house. So let's go.
King of all the heavens and the earth, weapons that fall.
Oh.
Fortinos.
You want to go to Fortino's now? What do you need at Fortino's, sir?
1 Coke.
Huh?
What means this?
No, because this is very, very sensitive. I don't want you to.
Oh,
Okay, well, mommy needs a new mat. You saw a white dog? Yes, I see one. I see lots of dogs, Papa. Come. Okay, one of my flowers. Okay. So one of my flowers fits in my planter, perfect. The other one doesn't. I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot right now and look for 2 inserts. The problem is they're probably all sold out because the weather is beautiful this week and everybody is outside with their plants. So we'll see. So this is what the first one looks like. See, I don't even have my mic on. See? So there's that one. And then this one is on the ground right here because I can't. Yeah, this needs some light. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find some planters. I have all of this laundry to do. So, laundry to fold. It's the kids' laundry. I'm gonna do it now and watch some Scott Louis. I've been enjoying his vlogs. His vlogs are amazing. I just love him. So, hello? Okay. So I'm going to enjoy some Scott Louis and then I'm going to enjoy some Coco because she dropped a new vlog today as well. So let's see how long it takes me to fold up all this stuff. This is the kids' clothes. They're old enough now to be folding their clothes and putting their clothes away themselves. But they're not. We are going to leave now to head to the fair. More cars. Uh-oh. Something happened. Put your hand. Here you go, buddy. Recording.
I'm not spinning at all. When are we spinning?
Oh! We're spinning.
What is this?
This part to eat the ice. Very good. Come up with it. Yeah, now. Okay. Ready? Yeah! Oh. Hey! All right. Where's Daddy? Let's get into the skincare. Ooh. I'm gonna have to. Oh my god. The time now is 10:49. My skincare routine is done and busy week. A number of things I have to do tomorrow, so I'm gonna end out this vlog here. This was a bit of everything since Monday. It is now Sunday. So this was it. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and God bless. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are a subscriber, please like and share and meet me in the comments. Until next time, folks, take care and God bless. Bye.